an associate professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about a case study on storage management system. Let us see a scenario based case study where the storage management system is working on in one of the leading university in USA.
Morning everyone. So I am going to talk about the case study on storage management in operating system, focusing on a real-world scenario. So from a university computer lab called the Today I am going to talk about a case study on a storage management in operating system, focusing on a real-world scenario. From a university computer lab called Tech Lab with the 50 workstation running both Windows and Linux. The lab faced significant challenges in managing the storage efficiently, so leading to a performance issues such as disk storage and data losses. And this case study explores the problem they encountered and the solution they implemented using the core OS storage management techniques and the measurable benefits they have achieved. So through this case study, we will understand the critical role of the proper storage management in maintaining the storage performance and data integrity.
Talk about the challenges. There are 4 types of challenges: data integrity, file management systems, data backup and recovery, performance optimizations. First thing, the data integrity is used to working the space of the elements where the data can be located. So the next stage is the data can be located where it can be integrated and it can be recovered. So the next stage is about data recovering and data backups. By recovering the data and backupping the files, so where the files can be located, so it can be take the risk of the integrity. So the last stage is about where the workstation is done, we can recover the file systems in the integrity and allocations of the system.
User get a limit to store their data. This helps the disk from getting full. Standard file organization. Each files of the user should separately stored in a proper file folder organization. First of all, users should separately store their files in the order of personal files, projects and shared data. This helps the user to retrieve the files easily. Central backup system. The most important files should be stored in the central backup system. Even though it is deleted or lost, we can retrieve from it.
We'll add up extra ideas to the storage management case study, as she said. We can implement automated alerts or an alarm for the users who are about to extend the storage limit, so that they won't extend the storage limit. And we can also add the file cleaner. And then we can deploy NAS, that is network address storage, so that users can access the files that are stored on network through Internet cable or Wi-Fi wireless connectivity, so that the data can be accessed by anyone anywhere, rather than just accessing within a specific computer on a specific server. Then we can integrate recovery tools so that data that is corrupted or data that can be lost can be recovered through the recovery tools. And then we can employ schedule regular disk defragmentation, so that the files are kept or recycled, so that the files should be fresh, rather than just being fragmented after a long period of time. And then we can monitor storage allocation using systems like disk operating, so that we can clean up the redundant files that are no more useful.
I'm going to tell about the benefits. So the first one is improving the DS management. So disk quarters that ensures the disk space management, that gives the enough space to workstation for remains constant. So the second one is enhancing the file management. So it gives enough space to the files to recover and store the data. So the third one is data protection. It protects the data and recovers the data easily.
By implementing the disk quotas, standardizing file system organization for recovering the backup and centralized session for the disk quotas. Then this have to be come across all these stages, and this disk quotas have to implement the storage management in the file system management. and the tech lab is able to efficiently store the data in the database management system in the file system organization.
That's good. I hope you're clear with the case study on Tech Lab University, how the storage management system is carried out there. Thank you one and all.
Thank you.